Hello. Today I had a meeting with one of my clients, and I thought I record a video about the tips about digital marketing. We always talk about the digital marketing. We talk about how much benefits digital marketing have, and how its beneficials. And nowadays, every business needs to have a digital marketing. But the thing is, you need to be a bit thinking about it. And I'm gonna give you 4 tips that to have a digital marketing. The first tips is, which is part of the initial consideration in digital marketing. It's the very the first point when you want to have a digital marketing is, and you think about the which digital channel you need to use. You need to think about it. There is no point using, for example, social media platform or one of the digital marketing digital channels when your customers don't use that platform. One of the challenges is that businesses often feel that they need to establish a social media channel if their customers don't use it. For example, thinking about the bank, do you go and like the bank's Facebook channels, your bank Facebook channels? Mostly no, because it's difficult to find a reason why you need to like your bank's Facebook channels. The only people likes the bank's Facebook channel are the customers who want to complain about the services the bank gives them. Otherwise, there is no other point. For your businesses, you need to think about when you're choosing the platform, when you're choosing which channel you want to use. It's thinking about where my customers coming from. And yeah, everyone talking about social media, everyone talking about the different social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, so many of them. But it's really important, do your customers use that platform or no? The second point or second tips for digital marketing is consistency. Mostly when businesses use the digital marketing, they use a different channel, different platform as well. It's really good that customers see the consistency as well. Many businesses understand the nature of branding better and the need for consistency in terms of promotion and identity. It's even you, when you think about the business, you're gonna hate that business which they have a one offer on Facebook, they have different promotion in Twitter, they have another promotion or different image in Instagram. uh, Mostly the airlines are like this. You think about the airline, they have some promotion and offer in one platform, for example booking.com, or their website. They have another image or promotion in their Instagram, they have another image or branding in their Facebook. If you want your business be really successful business, you need to be consistent to the message you are delivering to your customers. If you have offer, if you have a promotion, do the same thing across all the channels you use. You might need to adjust it based on the platform you use. For example, if you use Facebook, it's different. Post Instagram, it's different. But the message you deliver need to be same across all the platform, because your customers loves consistency, and it's don't they don't feel they gonna miss some things. and they don't feel so thinking exhausted, looking at all your platforms. They think, okay, it's okay if I'm following them or on Facebook. That's okay, because whatever promotion they have in other platform, they have in Facebook as well. So consistency is the key. The other thing is that ensuring your company or your business is front of mind or the first to search. Many include competitors to offer. For example, if someone looking for a soft drink, there is so many businesses comes up, but you need to make sure your business is the first. This one, it's one of the strategy you need to use in your marketing. And in other videos, when I'm thinking about a specific channel, when I talking about the specific channel, I talk how you can promote and how you can be the first or more visible to your audience or your customers as well. Some of the companies thinking, okay, we're gonna providing loyalty program, but it's not enough. It's not enough. When data, when the search engine, when your visibility comes up, when they search for you or they are thinking about you, you need to come up first. If they searching in Google's, you need to come up first. So think about the strategy you want to use to make yourself or make your business more visible to your customers. The other one is to keep front of mind or insurance or ensure customers think of you first in a challenge. One of the things can do, and most of so many businesses do, they are facilitate all the process of buying and purchasing everything. For example, where you need to facilitate your customers, your website, for example, if you have a website, your website needs to be well designed, well structured, that they can find the information easily, and they can go through the entire purchasing, repurchasing really easy. For example, they can return really easy as well. So many businesses nowadays thinking about apps, because people using smartphone a lot, so they thinking about having their business apps, and people can upload their apps and make everything really easy for them, make purchasing and repurchasing easy for them as well. If you don't have app, you can think about your business app. But if right now you are not able to get app or having the app, it's good to design your website or your social media platform in a way that make the process of purchasing or searching for information easier for your customers. So these are 4 tips you need to think about it when you do digital marketing. Otherwise, you're gonna waste your time and your money being in the wrong platform or giving different message from different channels to your customers. So make sure you follow these 4 tips to have a really effective digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video.